Benvenuti to Italy. Welcome to a land where history, culture, and natural beauty converge in a symphony of experiences. Italy, a country that needs no introduction. Its name alone evokes images of timeless art, delicious cuisine, and breathtaking landscapes. From the majestic snow-capped Alps in the north to the sun-drenched, golden beaches of Sicily in the south, Italy is a feast for the senses. The aroma of freshly baked pizza, the sight of vibrant street markets, and the sound of lively conversations fill the air. Its rich history of Italy.
Rome, the eternal city. A city that has stood the test of time, where every corner tells a story of its glorious past. A place where history comes alive, where ancient ruins whisper tales of emperors, gladiators, and philosophers. Walk in the footsteps of emperors and gladiators at the Colosseum, the largest amphitheater ever built. Imagine the roar of the crowd and the clash of swords echoing through time. Explore the ruins of the Roman Forum, once the heart of the Roman Empire. Here, politics, religion, and commerce intertwined, shaping the destiny of a civilization. Toss a coin into the Trevi Fountain, ensuring your return to this magical city. Legend has it that a single coin guarantees a return, while two coins promise a new romance. Visit the Vatican City, the smallest country in the world and the center of the Catholic Church, a place of profound spirituality and artistic grandeur. Marvel at the awe-inspiring St. Peter's Basilica, a masterpiece of Renaissance architecture. Its grandeur and beauty leave visitors in awe, a testament to human creativity and devotion. Rome is a city that will stay with you long after you've left. Its charm, its history, and its vibrant culture create memories that last a lifetime. It's a place where you can feel the weight of history, the power of art, and the warmth of Italian hospitality. Savor the flavors of authentic Italian cuisine and experience the joy of living La Dolce Vita.
Venice, a city built on water, a labyrinth of canals, bridges, and colorful buildings. Explore this enchanting city by gondola, gliding silently through the narrow waterways. Visit St. Mark's Square, the heart of Venice, and marvel at the Byzantine splendor of St. Mark's Basilica. Cross the Rialto Bridge, the oldest of the four bridges spanning the Grand Canal, and soak up the lively atmosphere of this iconic landmark. Venice is a city of romance, mystery, and beauty. It's a place where you can get lost in the maze of canals, discover hidden courtyards, and indulge in the pleasures of Italian life.
Italian passion for art.
Section 5. Milan, where fashion meets art. Milan, Italy's fashion capital, a city of style, elegance, and sophistication. Indulge in some serious shopping at the Quadrilatero della Moda, home to the world's most prestigious fashion houses. Visit the Duomo, Milan's grand Gothic cathedral, and be awestruck by its intricate facade and stunning stained glass windows. Experience the Teatro alla Scala, one of the world's most famous opera houses, and witness a performance that will stay with you forever. Milan is a city that pulsates with energy and creativity. It's a place where you can indulge in the finer things in life, from fashion and design to art and culture.
Section 6. The Amalfi Coast, a coastal paradise. The Amalfi Coast, a breathtaking stretch of coastline along the Sorrentine Peninsula. Picture dramatic cliffs plunging into the turquoise waters of the Mediterranean Sea. Explore picturesque towns perched precariously on the hillside. Drive along the winding Amalfi Coast Road, one of the most scenic drives in the world, and soak up the stunning views. Visit Positano, the most photogenic town on the Amalfi Coast, and wander through its narrow streets lined with colorful houses and shops. The Amalfi Coast is a place to relax, unwind, and soak up the beauty of the Italian Riviera. It's a place to indulge in fresh seafood, sip limoncello, and enjoy the Dolce Vita. Section 7. Tuscany rolling hills and culinary delights. Tuscany, a region of rolling hills, vineyards, and olive groves, a place where time seems to stand still. Rent a car and explore the Tuscan countryside, stopping at charming villages and wineries along the way. Visit Siena, a medieval city with a rich history and culture, and witness the Palio, a traditional horse race held twice a year in the Piazza del Campo. Explore Florence, the capital of Tuscany and the birthplace of the Renaissance, and immerse yourself in art, architecture, and history. Tuscany is a feast for the senses. It's a place to savor delicious food and wine, enjoy breathtaking scenery, and experience the warmth of Italian hospitality. Section 8. The Italian Lakes, Tranquility and Charm. The Italian Lakes, a chain of glacial lakes nestled in the foothills of the Alps. Experience the serenity of Lake Como, surrounded by charming villages and lush greenery. Visit Bellagio, known as the Pearl of Lake Como, and explore its narrow streets, colorful buildings, and beautiful gardens. Explore Lake Garda, the largest lake in Italy, and enjoy a variety of water sports, from windsurfing to sailing. Discover Lake Maggiore, known for its picturesque islands and elegant villas. The Italian lakes offer a perfect blend of natural beauty, tranquility, and Italian charm. It's a place to escape the hustle and bustle of city life and reconnect with nature. Section 9. The Dolomites, Majestic Peaks and Alpine Adventures. The Dolomites, a mountain range in northeastern Italy, known for their dramatic peaks, jagged cliffs, and lush valleys. Hike or bike through breathtaking scenery, past alpine meadows, sparkling lakes, and towering waterfalls. Visit Cortina d'Ampezzo, a glamorous ski resort town and a popular destination for outdoor enthusiasts. Explore the Tresemme di Lavaredo, 3 distinctive battlement-like peaks, and marvel at their imposing beauty. The Dolomites offer a playground for adventure seekers and nature lovers alike. It's a place to challenge yourself physically, connect with nature, and experience the raw beauty of the Italian Alps.
Section 10. Italian Cuisine, a gastronomic journey. Italian cuisine is renowned worldwide for its rich flavors and diverse dishes. It's more than just pasta and pizza. It's a reflection of Italy's history, culture, and passion for food. Embark on a culinary journey through the diverse regions of Italy, each offering its own unique specialties. Savor the flavors of fresh, local ingredients, from ripe tomatoes and fragrant basil, which are the cornerstone of many Italian dishes. Enjoy the creamy texture of mozzarella and the rich, fruity taste of extra virgin olive oil, both essential in Italian cooking. Indulge in regional specialties, from the seafood dishes of the Amalfi Coast, where the catch of the day is always fresh and flavorful, to the hearty meat dishes of Tuscany, known for their robust flavors and rustic charm. Sample the different varieties of pasta, each with its own unique shape, texture, and sauce, reflecting the creativity and tradition of Italian chefs. Experience the art of Italian coffee, from a quick, invigorating espresso to a leisurely cappuccino enjoyed in a bustling cafe. And of course, no trip to Italy is complete without indulging in gelato, the Italian version of ice cream, known for its creamy texture and intense flavors. Italian cuisine is a celebration of flavor, freshness, and tradition, bringing people together around the table. It's a journey for your taste buds, one that will leave you wanting more, as each bite tells a story of Italy's rich culinary heritage.
Section 11, Conclusion. Embrace the Italian spirit. Italy, a country that will stay with you long after you've left. From the ancient ruins of Rome to the canals of Venice, from the rolling hills of Tuscany to the dramatic peaks of the Dolomites, Italy is a feast for the senses. Embrace the Italian spirit of La Dolce Vita, the sweetness of life. Savor the simple pleasures of good food, good company, and breathtaking scenery. So what are you waiting for? Book your trip to Italy today and discover the magic for yourself. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration. Ciao!